Hello kids, welcome back to Zoratale. Today we are learning about rainbow colors. A rainbow has many beautiful colors. Let's learn them one by one. First is red. Red apple. Red heart. Red toy car. Red rose. Kids, let's find red things around us. Which one is red? Awesome! You got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Next is yellow. Yellow banana. Yellow baby chick. Yellow star. Yellow sunflower. Now let's find all yellow items. Which one is yellow? Awesome! You got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Now comes blue. Blue cap. Blue cup. Blue butterfly. Blueberry. Let's find red things around us. Which one is blue? Awesome! You got them all right. Next is green. Green is made by mixing blue plus yellow. Green leaf. Green frog. Green chili. Green turtle. Now let's find all the green items. Which one is green? Awesome! You got them all right. Next color is indigo. Indigo flower. Indigo balloon. Indigo cup. Which one is indigo color? Awesome! You got them all right. Last color is violet. Violet heart. Violet bag. Violet bag. Which one is violet color? Wonderful! Let's clap. You learned all the rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon on Zoratail.